In sports, an impressive redevelopment plan for the National Stadium is currently underway. Stakeholders are meeting with Minister of Sports Olivia Grange today, Tuesday, January 26, to present a proposal for a safe and full resumption of sporting activities. More from Marlon Samuels.
The progress of the upgrading of the athletic tracks at the National Stadium was inspected by Minister of Sports Olivia Grange. The renovations will see IAAF Class 1 certified sporting facilities for both professional athletes and the local community.
I must applaud first the Minister, the foresight that has been put in place to ensure that the track is kept in a good condition so that our athletes can come and perform on a surface that will allow for them to break records and set lead times or jumps or throws for us to maintain our top 3 position in the world. So we are very happy, and we say to the Minister, thumbs up.
Despite the challenges posed by the coronavirus pandemic, the J3As is pressing ahead with plans to have full resumption of track and field activities. Training sessions for COVID-19 protocol marshals have already started.
We have conducted 3 training sessions for COVID-19 protocol marshals, and we have seen over 550 participants. They have actually even asked for another, and we're going to have a 4th and possibly another 5th training for these critical players or personnel.
First and foremost, we want to ensure that our athletes are safe, that our sports administrators are safe, that our communities are safe, that our people are safe. And so I appreciate and understand the concerns where there is a clamoring for the resumption of sporting activities. But it's better to be safe than sorry, as the saying goes. However, I have engaged Minister Tufton, and we have said to the technical team, expedite those discussions, come up with the solutions, because we want to be able to address the sector. In the meantime, I have been engaging the leadership of the various disciplines. So far, I've spoken to J3As, I've spoken to the Premier League leadership. I'm about to have discussions with boxing.
The competition commissions of the J3As and other stakeholders will put forward a proposal to the Minister of Sports, Olivia Grange, on Tuesday, January 26, on how to safely resume sporting events.
We are confident that the program that we are going to put to them, they will understand under the pandemic situation that this is the best way. It's a win-win situation for all concerned. But we do know of the challenges. I know schools are especially in wanting to get ready for and meet the qualifying standards for championships. But we believe, and Mr. Forbes will give more details on what it is that we have put together.
Jamaica's National Stadium has long been associated with great events and great athletes. The redeveloped stadium will be the perfect stage for local and international athletic competitions now and in the future.
We are working with the IPL team to ensure that certain markings, for instance, the 4x2 is not normally a marking that is put down on normal track. And so we are working with them to ensure, for instance, that is done. We do 70-meter hurdles, 80-meter hurdles for our juniors, and all of that will be taken into consideration during the remarking of the new surface here at the National Stadium. We believe that the surface and the measurements would meet international standards, and so when the World Athletics technical team comes, we know that we will maintain our current status, our current rating as we had before.
For the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.